The pigeon that landed today, she should eat. He or she so biggie. It's a big one. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Somehow your words just hypnotize me. Oh, I gotta trim. Do I have my scissors? I gotta trim my eyebrows. And I just love your flashy ways. Yes, it's Biggie. Hi, Biggie. What's up, Biggie? I like your nice and calm there. Don't get reckless like Hefty, please. So cute. Oh, you had to do it, huh? You just had to. I just had to jinx it, huh? I just had to jinx it, huh? As soon as I said Hefty, something clicked in her head. She was like, she lifted up, or he did. Hefty? Okay. Hefty mode on. I seen a Edna mode card at my job the other day. Edna mode. I forgot what it said on it though. It was the cutest thing. No capes. No capes. I said no capes. Your feet look nice and pinky. But you're shaped weird. Your body shape is weird. Yeah. Kinda. Like, I don't mean... You're like square. Like, what is it, SpongeBob? SpongeBob SquarePants. Like, his sides are like flat. You know? It's weird. You're so cute. For a pigeon. Sorry. I know, sometimes I say offensive things and I don't mean to. How can I not sound so offensive? Because I really don't mean it. Yeah, all my money. Yeah, I don't know if I want it in the chime, man. Now that I know that shit crashed the other day, I'm like, I don't know, bro. But I mean, I guess we really have no choice. Oh, I gotta get a different bank. Go back to paper checks.